Welcome to Jam That Life music channel. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more inspiring music. Music you'll only find right here. Thank you ever so much for your support.
Too. You say you want a beautiful woman in your life, but you don't know the work it takes to treat her right. Having a good woman's one thing, my love, but to keep her happy, that's the real test of love. A woman needs more than diamonds and pearls. It's not all about money, bags, or the world. A good woman, she's strong, she can stand on her own, but she need a man who make her feel at home. You gotta listen when she talk, hold her close when she walk, show her love in every little way. Respect her heart, her mind, be gentle but still kind. That's the price you pay to make her stay. Every man wants a beautiful woman, but not every man know what it takes to keep her satisfied. It's more than just show her love, hold her hand, keep her by your side. 'Cause a woman don't need vanity, what she need is real love and loyalty. Yeah, every man wants a beautiful woman, but can you keep her satisfied? I accept you with your flaws, even your small mistakes, but now your little problems are too big to take. They say ladies come first, but you forget my needs. Always reaching your goals while my heart still bleeds. There should be a manual for a man to read. Study every chapter on a woman's needs. It's not about ego, chest beating pride. It's about the way you keep her soul alive. Don't just buy her pretty things, give her joy, let her sing. Be the peace she's been searching for. She can get the word alone, but she can't hold herself when she feeling unknown. So be the love she can. Every man wants a beautiful woman, but not every man know what it takes to keep her satisfied. It's more than just saying you're the man. You gotta show her love, hold her hand, keep her by your side. 'Cause a woman don't need vanity, what she need is real love and loyalty. Yeah, every man wants a beautiful woman, but can you keep her satisfied? If you're not listening, she gon' drift away. If you're not loving, another man might stay. Don't just talk about it, baby, make that move. A woman need a man who got nothing to prove. Every man wants a beautiful woman, but not every man know what it takes to keep her satisfied. It's more than just saying you're the man. You gotta show her love, hold her hand, keep her by your side. 'Cause a woman don't need vanity, what she need is real love and loyalty. Yeah, every man want a beautiful woman, but can you keep her satisfied? Beautiful woman, priceless. Treat her like the blessing she is, or watch her walk away. Yeah.
I want to thank all my amazing subscribers for your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. We're on our way to reaching 1,000 subscribers to keep the reggae, R&B, and hip-hop music we all love alive. Please share the link and tell a friend, because we have so much more good music coming your way. God bless and stay safe.